Hi, my name is Mary and I'm coming to you from the First Colony Branch Library, and today I want to show you how to make one of these paper chain rainbow murals. So let me take you back to my desk and I'll show you how to put this together.
To make this project, you're going to need to find a stick like this one here. It's about 1 foot long, and you'll use this to hang your paper chain on. You'll also need a length of string that's a little bit longer than the stick, but you can set both of these aside because we won't need them until the end. You're going to need a pair of scissors, some tape, and a stapler. Well, I'm going to use a stapler. You can use glue if you'd like. It just takes a little bit longer to complete the process. You're also going to need some paper. Here I have 9 sheets of colored construction paper. It's 8.5 by 11. You're going to need white, purple, blue, light blue, green, yellow, orange, pink, and red. Of course, you can change the colors if you want to. But you're going to cut your construction paper in half this way here. And when you do, you'll have the 2 pieces. And you'll take those 2 pieces and put them together like this. And then you're going to cut those 2 pieces into 1-inch wide strips. And once you cut them, you will have 16 total. And they'll look like this. And you're going to need to do this to every sheet of paper. You will have some extra because to make this project over here, you're going to need 10 red strips, 10 pink strips, 10 orange, 10 yellow, 8 green, 8 light blue, 6 of the darker blue, 4 purple strips, and 10 white strips. It's best just to get them all cut at the beginning so you can move on with the process. However, we do have some kits already prepared here at the First Colony Branch Library. They have the strips already cut and a length of string, so definitely give us a call to see if we have any still available. So let's move on to the next step. We're going to make our loops. So you'll take your first strip and just roll it into a loop. And this is where I like to use the tape. So I'll just take a small piece of tape and seal it. You can use a stapler here or glue. I just like the tape because it's quick and easy. So once you have your first one made, let's move on to the rest of them. I like to turn all of them into loops before I start connecting them. So you'll just carry on making a loop and taping it closed. So I'll go ahead and do a few. Okay, I have 3 done. I'm going to do the rest of these off camera, and then I'll meet you back here.
Okay, so I have a bunch of loops made just with the tape, and now I want to connect them. Now in a traditional kind of paper chain, you would take one loop and then make the other one like that, but we're not going to do that. Instead, we're going to take 2 already made loops and staple them together. You could use tape or glue or whatever you wanted. I like to use staples because they're quick. And then I like to staple the 2 taped pieces together, kind of where I connected the 2 ends of the pink and the 2 ends of the red. That way, in the final product, you won't see them. And then another thing I like to do is put them on my work surface so I make sure they're level. Otherwise, I have a tendency to staple some up and some down, and then your final product will be kind of wavy.
So I just level them out here on my work surface, and then I staple them together like this.
And then I just follow the pattern, which I have here, and I'll throw it up on the screen.
All right, so this is the pattern here. Each square represents a loop. You can see that there are 10 rows, and the rows vary in length from 5 loops to 9 loops. So you're just going to follow this pattern as you staple your loops together.
And then you just keep going. It's pretty quick when you use the stapler. Okay. And that's the first one that's done. So I'm going to set that aside and I'll keep going. All right, so now that we have each row put together, you're going to take your stick, oops, take your stick and your string, and then you're going to tie your string to one side of your stick. And then you're going to add your loops to your stick. Okay. So we got all of our loops on the stick. Now to finish it off, you're just going to tie the string to the other side. And I just tie a double knot. And that's it.
Okay, so this is the final result. Obviously you can play with the color scheme or even the pattern or the size of the paper chain mural. I just hope you enjoyed watching this video and that you check out more of our videos on the Fort Bend County Library's YouTube page. All right, thank you.